The Nether is a fiery, hell-like dimension filled with lava and hostile mobs, so preparation is key. Bring strong armor and tools, preferably iron, since diamond is risky. Water buckets won't work here, but lava buckets are useful for smelting large amounts of items in a furnace, smoker, or blast furnace. To enter the Nether, you need to build a Nether portal. Construct a frame with 2 obsidian blocks for the base and top, and 3 obsidian for each side. Corners are optional, but require extra obsidian if included. Bring flint and steel to relight your portal if a gas destroys it. When you first step through, shift to avoid accidentally falling into dangerous terrain and collect lava buckets for smelting. Almost all mobs in the Nether are hostile. Gas fly and shoot fireballs that deal 1.5 to 5 hearts of damage. You can kill them with a bow or deflect their fireballs with any item. Wither skeletons are tall, dangerous, and inflict the wither effect, dealing 2 to 4 hearts of damage over time. Blazes spawn in or near Nether fortresses, shooting 3 fireballs every 10 seconds and setting terrain on fire. Magma cubes are the Nether's version of slimes, with damage increasing with size. Zombie piglins are neutral unless provoked, and attacking one triggers all nearby piglins within 50 blocks to become hostile. Skeletons and Endermen are overworld mobs that occasionally spawn in the Nether. Skeletons in soul sand valleys and Endermen and warped forest piglins are neutral if you wear gold armor, but can become hostile if you attack them or open a chest in sight. They can barter gold ingots for valuable items like ender pearls and fire resistance potions. Hoglins are aggressive, have 20 hearts, and drop raw pork chops and leather. They only spawn in Crimson Forest. Striders serve as passive mount for lava travel and can be controlled with a fungus on a stick, moving faster over lava than land. Navigating the Nether requires caution, preparation, and knowledge of its mobs. But with the right gear and strategy, you can survive and thrive in this dangerous dimension.